Good morning, folks. This is Vicky Sajnani from Quantsapp. So, welcome to the morning brief. Let's get started. Nifty 16,225 was the closing. Nifty Bank, the closing was 35,173 points. Roughly 0.5% gains in both of them were witnessed on Friday. This morning, SGX Nifty pointing to close to 100 points cut. 16,130 thereabouts is where SGX Nifty could open up. Our Nifty could open up. So 16,130 is the futures code for SGX Nifty. Looking at the charts, again, pointing out that, okay, if there is an opening of 16,130, you have 16,200, 16,800, and on the lower side, 16,000, 15,500 as the major levels for Nifty as such. As per the charts. Looking at the OI picture, futures OI picture, we have been seeing some longs and then short covering. So depending on the data points which pointed out in the US, I think there has been some bout of correction which has come in. So one would have to wait and watch. As I said, that the 16,000 mark is crucial. So that would be an important level to watch out for on a technical angle. As far as the options OI is concerned, again, 16,200 looking at the levels, important level, and then 16,800 is the important level. On the lower side, 16,000 is important as pointed out by the put OI clearly. So that's that. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty 35,190 thereabouts, the charts indicate. So 36,000 and 34,000, that's the broad range in which Bank Nifty could hover around. That's what the charts are indicating. No major cues as such. But then, yes, it's above the 50-day moving average. The RSI is pointed well. So there could be some positive momentum if it comes in the mid-day. So that's what we need to watch out for. As far as the futures OI is concerned, you had a bout of longs coming in from the past few days in the last week. So that's something which is positive as such on an overall basis, on a thematic basis. Bank Nifty options OI, clearly 34,000 happens to be the put OI level. So that's an important level. On the higher side, 35,500. Is an important level to watch out from the perspective of calls OI positioning. As far as the top gainers and losers are concerned, L&T, SRF, India Cement is the gainers, Torrent Pharma, NBCC, and Bandhan Bank are the losers. Moving on to index contribution, I think private banks is the 128 points and 21 points from cap goods. So that's those are the major contributors. On the negative side, you have NBFC and metals. Metals minus 6.85 and NBFC minus 3.04. So you had a large set of audience which was in positive territory on Friday. As far as the long positions are concerned, auto ancillary, capital goods, cement, all in the longs side. Short side, NBFC, oil and pharma. Moving on, we have a stock on the buy side, SBI Life, resistance points 1165, 1185 happen to be the resistance points for it. Looks good as of now. 1110 and 1080 are the levels to watch out for. 1060 is the next major level to watch out for on the lower side. So even a dip till 1110 could be considered as a buying position in this stock. But then it shouldn't break the back of 1080. So that's an important level to watch out for. You are seeing some amount of longs coming in. There was a bout of long unwinding, but then that was just a pause, and you're seeing a series of longs coming in into this counter. So we are positive on this. And as far as the put OI is concerned, positioned at 1100. As seen from this table as such, and the call OIs are 1120 is the maximum This stock looks sparse on the options front, so one can look at suitable options, and definitely, I mean, we suggest that though we give out calls or we give out perspectives, it is important for you to consult your financial advisor before moving ahead, and also important stop losses need to be kept in mind as far as your risk appetite. This is the next stock which is on the buy side, ICICI Bank. Looking at the charts, I think 760, 65 plus, you could see 780, 800 on the radar. On the lower side, 720, 695 happen to be the support zone for this counter. As far as the OI picture is concerned, nothing major happening. There's one short position which has come up, and you have some amount of short covering on the back of which this stock has moved up. So let's look how the day evolves and see how the stock behaves during the midday. As far as the resistance points are concerned from the put to OI, support from the put OI is concerned, it's closely packed at 720, 700 range. And then the resistance as per the call OI is 800. So that's a 800 strike, which is visible on the table as such. And then moving on to the ban list, no records found as of now in the ban list. So there is no stock as such in the ban list. Let's summarize it now. Auto ancillary cap goods, the long built up, the short built up was NBFC, oil, pharma. 16,200, 16,000 major levels, technical levels, 16,500 and 16,800. So market is hovering close to 16,200 levels. We would have to wait and watch how it behaves around the 16,000 mark, if any, or the 16,500 mark on the higher side. Of course, there was a mild level intermittently, which was a moving average of 16,325, but then that's not on the radar as of now. Bank Nifty, again, 34,500, 35,000 and 35,500 and 36,000 on the higher side. So that's that. And the two stocks which we discussed were SBI Life and ICICI Bank. So the both on the long side. As such, I had given out the technical levels for the same. This is our disclaimer. And again, I would point out that please consult a financial advisor and also follow strict stop losses as per your risk appetite in the derivative segment. That's all from our end. Wish you happy trading and have a great day ahead.